So I'm here at the garage, and my husband and son are kind of gathering all of our camping gear that we will be loading in our SUV. I'm gonna let my husband talk about our camping gear.
Okay. Hi everybody. We're getting ready to go camping this weekend, and we've got our equipment and our supplies kind of in the garage here, and we're going to be loading them up. But before that, I wanted to show you what we have. We've got a 6-man tent, and it's really nice. We've got a little 10 by 10 pop-up for shade. This is our foldable cot for our son. Sleeping bag 1, sleeping bag 2. This is the double wide sleeping bag that I got for us and the baby. This here is the air mattress, the king size air mattress. Over here, we've got some nice tarps for underneath the tent and for shade structures as well. That there's a little shade structure for the baby. Little pop-up one. We also got some fishing equipment because one of our activities this weekend is going to be throwing a lure or a worm in the lake and maybe try and catch a fish. Now, nice things over here is we got a real nice...
That's a folding chair.
Folding chair, and we got some little portable folding chairs we can take out to the lake.
Yep.
And for tie downs and ropes.
Okay, tell them. Okay, these are all.
We have a lot of tie downs and ropes in case we need to tie stuff down, and all kinds of different things. So it's good to have. See that?
Mm-hmm. What do we have in here?
What we have in here is we've got books of maps of the campgrounds and of Arizona. We got some emergency cones. Got some. These are some knives and a little air pump. We've got some bug spray, and ant stuff because you always need that. Always ants around. Got some S hooks to hold things. Another little bit of fishing gear. The dog's gonna come this weekend, so we got the dog bowl. These are the knives.
Yep.
And ice chest. I haven't got it loaded yet, but we'll be doing that.
And we also
we got 2 5-gallon things of fresh water for doing dishes, washing dishes and the latrine, and maybe some coffee. Dog bed. This is for the dog, and this here is a nice little thing I got for the dog too. You can put her on the thing with a longer rope, and it swivels all around so she can't get caught up. So that's kind of nice. We got 3 cases of bottled water here because we're going to be there for about 4 days. And we've got some our hiking boots for the area. I don't do a lot of hiking because I can't do it anymore, but I got boots just in case. Don't want to trip. And down here we've got our little camper, Kylie. Kylie the camper.
She's just checking.
She's checking out everything.
Where's my bed, Daddy?
Where's my bed?
Where's my
Unfortunately, we
bag?
don't have a separate one for her. One of the most important things for the weekend, we got the other fishing equipment, but these are the fishing poles. So we need to have those. We got new line, and we're ready to go.
One of the newest camping essentials we purchased for this trip was a battery pack which will charge our cell phones. It'll charge twice in fast, and it also has flashlight mode. I also have a separate solar panel for charging of the battery pack and any other USB devices since we don't have any electricity in the mountains. Next, we have some battery-operated camp lanterns which we can sit on the ground or hang in the tent. I have 2 types of these lanterns. One is more expensive with ultra bright LED bulb and has a magnetic base. We also brought along some high-quality flashlights for walking around at night. In all camping trips, it is important to bring along a medical first aid kit. This kit has everything we need like band-aids, alcohol pads, gauze, and many other items. I have a brand new Bluetooth speaker I am bringing for our entertainment. It is waterproof, shockproof, different lighting modes for the nighttime, and of course a handy bottle opener. It is a cool thing to have for the trip. By the way, I got it at Costco. One of the coolest items we purchased for the trip was this collapsible tray. It will be great to wash dishes and utensils and so many other uses. It is easy to pack in our SUV and save space. We are also bringing some entertainment items for the baby and the kids, like bubbles and badmintons. And lastly, I have battery-operated candles and string lights for our tent. We're gonna be camping for 4 days, and these are the clothes that I am packing for me and for my daughter Kylie. She's got 4 pairs of clothes for daytime, actually 5 pairs. These are the sleepwears. She's got 4 pairs, 4 or 5 pairs, and 2 thick jackets for the evening because it will be cold. I also packed socks and beanie just in case, and a cute hat for the day. For me, these are the clothes I'm taking. I got tank tops and like 4 shirts. I also have 1 pair of jeans and 3 leggings or pants, and I have 2 shorts just in case it gets warmer during the day. Over here I have sweaters. I just got this one today. I love it. And this one's my old pink sweater. I also have 2 pairs of jammies. These are fleece lined, so it's nice and warm. And I have a hat, a camel hat, and my sports bra, and of course undies. I'm not gonna show it to you guys, I'm gonna cover it. I also have 1 pair of gloves, warmer socks, and a beanie. And that's it. These are also some of the items that I'm going to pack, but I'm not gonna go through all of them. But I've got this personal stuff like shampoo, conditioner in travel size. And I also have sunblocks, vitamins, a brand new water shoes I got at Walmart, and my hiking shoes. And I also bought a new shoes for Kylie. This is like a combination of water and hiking shoes. Just to give you an idea of what's inside my baby's medicine bag, I have Neosporin cream for itching and healing, thermometer, pain and fever syrup, and allergy medicine, and so many things. I found this bag. This is actually a free gift from Sally's. I love the size. It's big enough. Oh, I love the color also. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. I will see you on my next video, which is our camping adventure. Bye guys, I love you all. Mwah. Bye.